Hi, and welcome to another Material Handling Minute with Chuck. We're here today to talk with you about an item that's gaining in popularity. Originally started out for the automotive battery industry. It's called our flow-through rack system. And it's gaining popularity in a variety of other container and inventory requirements. Let's go over some of the features. Got a couple of units here to show you today. The custom color orange, standard unit in black, available in blue and yellow, of course. Let's talk about the rugged construction of the ABR. The heavy-duty uprights are inclusive of the sidebars to prevent batteries from going off the side. And then each shelf itself is constructed of the round tube stock, very low friction point, and then at a 5-degree angle to bring that product down to the front for quick and easy control of inventory and inventory turn. Also included on every ABR unit is a 2-inch shelf front face bar. This will allow you for labeling and pricing or whatever your requirements are. Coming down the unit, you'll notice that it's very portable, even when heavily loaded, has up to 96 battery capacity, 2 swivels and 2 rigid casters, then of course the standard parking brake as we put on all of our cars. If you've got any custom requirements, you want to change up the shelving or anything in any way, get hold of your inside sales rep at BHS. He'll send you a custom order form that you can complete, and then we'll get you going in the right direction. And with every product at BHS, please remember that we've got inside sales support and aftermarket support, which is available 24/7, 365. Thank you for joining us with this Material Handling Minute with Chuck. Stay tuned for more videos.